Thank you for viewing my video. Today I am changing the stabilizer bars on my Mazda 3. The entire process is easy to do with just hand tools. I included the list of tools used in the description below. We are starting with jacking up the car and removing the tire. Here I'm identifying the two nuts to remove. I'm using a breaker bar and socket to remove the top nut. For the bottom nut I have to use a smaller ratchet. I am turning the steering wheel to have better clearance to remove the old stabilizer bar. Up next, I'm replacing the old with a new stabilizer bar. You can tell that the new one's a little bit more thicker compared to the factory. I'm using the new nuts that are included with the new stabilizer bars. The new nut is a little bit more larger, so I had to use a smaller ratchet and a wrench to secure it. Finally have room for a socket. Finally torque the nuts to specification. For my Mazda 3 it's between 29 and 40 foot-pounds. The rest of the video is on the driver's side. It's the same process as the passenger side. Identify the two nuts. Remove the old nuts. Here my bottom nut was shot, it just continues spinning. Use a wrench to hold the back of the nut in place while you remove it.